So hello and welcome back to the series, and in today's lecture we are going to learn more about the strings. We have we have studied about the strings earlier in the classes, but now it's time to explore the strings in depth, and we are going to learn a lot about the strings in this video only. Going back to our computer screen, and let's get started. So we have already studied how to take an input from a user, and we can take a input from the user. If we have to take an input for a string, how we can take it? Let's say name. Let's say name is equal to input, and here we can take the input. We will write also enter your name, and the other thing is we can also take one more input. Let's say work. If we take work as an input, what we will do, we will write input, what's your profession is. Profession spellings, I think, like this. Profession is. If it is wrong, then please let me. Now I will print these things. In order to print it, I will write print name and print work also. I can write it in different time also. You must know it. We have been working on this very long. Enter your name. I will write my name as Jess. Enter your profession. I am a teacher. I think I am a student. Let's say just student. Yes. Let's say if I want to write student in front of every name, what I can do is I have to write it in a write it in double inverted commas. I will write student, and if I will run it is also going to work fine. I will write just enter, and just is a student. It will whatever I name I have to write. I have whatever name I will write. I do not have to repeat its work as I do not have to repeat its work and again. So working towards this, if I want to write this in single colon, I can write it in single colon at also. We have also discussed it earlier, but the thing is I have assigned, let's say I have assigned one paragraph to each student and I want to write it. So in order to write it, what I can do, let's say para in front of every student, and this this is a para, and now I want the next line. First run it. Enter your name. I will write just student, and I want to print para also. Let's small it. Print para. Let's run it. It's just this is a para, it's working fine. But if I want to add one more line here, I will write enter, and I will write this is is a second line. What will happen when I go but What will happen when I'm going to run this? It is going to give me an error. What error? See, it's give me an error. Why this is giving me error? The compiler is saying to me that if you are giving me this line, then I will go and I will go in this line at the end, and I will see where the this inverted single comma will end, and I am going to return the line as it is. But if you press the enter, I am not going to consider it as a part. So if I want to write multiple lines and multiple paragraph, what I have to do, I have to write in either triple single quotes or triple double quotes, like this. If I write like this, triple quotes, and I will, let's say I will take this paragraph itself and I will write it here, and I will close the triple double quotes, and now I am going to run it, and it is not going to give me any error now. It is asking me my name is just, and it is now printing the paragraph as it is, not giving any error. We can also try it with single quotations. Let's just run it. See, just, and it's working fine actually here also. Moving towards the, this is multi-line string actually. Moving towards the accessing characters in a string. But now I want to access the characters in the string. Let's just control Z. I will not going to take this name again and again. Just type I have just given it a predefined value. Now I want to access the name. Now I want to access now I want to access the particular character in a name. So what I will write? I will write print and then variable name and then index which I want to print. I will write 0. It will return me J C. Let's remove this. Now it's not needed anymore. We can comment it, and this also para. Yes. What if I will write the same as, I'm going to print all the characters here. So if I'm going to print above the fourth, like in this we are having only 4 characters, so it is going to work only for third character. But if I am going to print the fourth character also, it is going to return me an error. So run it and we will get JASS just, but I am going to return the fourth character also. It is definitely going to give me an error as fourth character is not defined in this now. So it's going to give me an error. See, error string out of range, because fourth character does not exist here. But if I will enter a space here, it is going to return me now space as a no error. See, no error we are getting, and a space is printed here. Let's just uncomment this paragraph. I will press control forward slash, and now I want to access the, I am writing the same for the paragraph also, print para 1. So what according to you, what it's going to return me? It's going to return me t or something else. Actually, in this paragraph, it's acting as a character of subarray. What is an array? Array is something to store the collection of data. Now let's run it. On running it, it returning me t. Yes, you are right. It's going to return me t. Now I don't want to return every element of this name by every time repeating that print statement. For that I can write for I can write for character and name. If I'm going to run this, what will happen? It will You have to write the same here and here also. So what we will going to have is every character in the name is going to be executed line by line, and we do not have to write the print statement every time. Now what is this for statement and why are we are using it? We will discuss it later in the further videos in more depth. Till then we will just execute it and learn how it's performing. See, it's giving me just and with a space also, and everything is printed here. In this video we are going to learn till here only, and further we are going to learn about the characters in more depth. So in the today's lecture we have learned about strings, string input, and how we can write multi-line strings. In the further videos we are going in more depth about the strings. Till then, keep learning, keep watching. Meet you in the next videos. Bye.